everyone, how's it going? So I've been getting this request a lot lately and I finally decided to draw it, and I'm going to show you guys today how to draw Kirishima from My Hero Academia. So I hope you guys get to follow along and enjoy this video. Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video I want to show you guys how to draw Kirishima from My Hero Academia. Now, to start off with this, we're going to start a little bit higher up here so we can draw the eyes. Now, to start the eyes, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve up like this. And then over here, I want to do the same thing. So I'm going to make another one right here. I'm going to keep them kind of close together, and we'll just draw another one that just kind of curves up like this. Make it a little bit longer. Next, I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and I'm going to go over, leave a little bit of space. I'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down, over, and then just leave a little bit of space. Now, starting inside of here, I'm just going to add a little skinny oval inside each one for the pupils. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little line that goes out and then back over for a nose. Now for the eyebrows, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then up, kind of like a little check mark shape. And I'll do the same thing here, down and up. Just kind of like a little check mark shape. I made it a little bit fatter towards the bottom. Now, for the mouth, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of come up like this at a little bit of an angle. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down and then comes up here, kind of like a little upside down triangle. Then right here, we'll make a little line that goes down and up, over, and then down and up again for his teeth. And then a little line across for these teeth at the bottom. Now for the shape of the head, I'm going to draw a line that comes down pretty close to the eyes on each side. Then I'm going to curve it, and I'm going to come down to a point and then back up for the chin. Then I'm going to draw two lines that go in to start the head. And I'm going to add some quick little zigzag lines right across the top. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up, and then one that goes down and up for the hair. And then I'm going to add two more down here, and then two little lines inside for the ears. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down on each side, kind of look like little horns. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes out and in on each side over here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw some kind of pointed lines that get a little bit higher as they go up. They're going to kind of come to a point, and then they're going to come back down. Then I'm going to add some quick little lines right along here. And then I'm going to make some of these lines a little bit longer in here for the hair. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw two lines down for the neck. Then, starting here, I'm going to make two lines that go out. And then I'm going to draw a line that just goes down on each side. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and then down. We'll do the same thing over here. Then I'm just going to kind of connect these at an angle. So I'll draw this down a little farther and then just connect it up at an angle. Then starting right about here inside a little bit, I'm going to make these lines go down a little farther for the body. Then I'm going to draw these lines in, and then I'm going to put kind of like a little line that goes up and down right there. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then over. Same thing, we'll go down and over. And then I'm just going to connect it with a little curved line here. Now right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out at an angle and then down. Do the same thing here, out at an angle and then down. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves out. It's going to come back. Do the same thing here, we're going to curve out and then come back. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and over, and a little line that goes up and then over. And a little line goes right across to connect them. Now starting here, I'm going to draw 2 lines across, and then 2 lines across here for his boots. I'm going to draw a little line out here that goes down and comes over, and then one here it's going to go down and come over. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down and up for some details. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go out and then down. I'll draw another one here. It's going to go out and then down. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out, over, and in. Little line down. Another one that goes out. It's going to come down and up, down and up, down and up, and then down and up. And it's going to meet right back here for his hand. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes down here. Another one right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. Make a little line that's going to curve here. Then a little line that's going to curve around. And do one here and then one right there. Make a line that's going to go down and it's going to curve. And then we're just going to come right down to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw 2 lines for his chest. And then a little line going down with just a couple more lines for some details. I'll put another line right here. Then I'm just going to draw some little lines going across here. And then right here, I'm going to add 2 curved lines onto here. And then I want to put this R in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, over, and up. One that goes down, over like this. And another one that's going to curve around. And just like this. Then the one final thing is I'm going to add a couple more little points right back here for the rest of his hair. And there you go. There is your drawing of Kirishima from My Hero Academia. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.